What's up, YouTubers? Sorry, but today we have with us, no one can guess, starts with a B. I call it a tornado siren, but today we have with us a tornado siren. So, anybody know what I have with me? I have some screws and some bolts and some heck yeah, I have a bunch of stuff here. I have a bunch of stuff. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna start putting stuff down in this, just like I normally would. Save that for the ending. Sorry, my buddy over there is playing around with his own thing. Look at that. That's a pretty cool screw, huh? Alright. What a chicken shit!
Huh?
It's fucking screw.
Uh-oh. You know what I literally just did? I was hitting the front end with the hammer, and my hammer stuck into it. Again, Philip.
No. I know. Tell us to let go.
Let go, my big mouth.
Tell if you don't let it go, you'll have your brother come over and get it.
Better let go, my brother's coming. Oh, crap. Ugh. It won't let go, Bubba.
Better let go of my brother's hammer.
Thank you. That's what you get for not listening. Huh. So.
Alright, so that one's not gonna fit in there. Alright. I have a battery.
You do?
Yeah. It fits in there. Double A battery is gonna go in there. Oh yeah. I even have a watch battery down there.
You do?
Yeah. It's gonna sound like horrible tornado siren. Alright. Sorry for the loud noise there. I just got a bunch of stuff. I think this vacuum's gonna sound worse now.
Yeah.
Especially if you putting stuff in it. Who's ever been a little kid and wanted to put stuff in the vacuum cleaner?
Huh?
Who's ever been a little kid and wanted to put stuff in the vacuum cleaner?
Devin.
No. I'm asking on YouTube. Who's ever been a little kid and wanted to put stuff in the vacuum cleaner? Comment down below. Alright, I'll prop this door open. So, that way if any smoke goes in. Alright, let's see what it sounds like now. Ready? bad.
I know.
Well, apparently, this Kirby bolt won't fit down in there. Right there, that Kirby bolt won't fit down in there. So let's say bye-bye to that Kirby bolt. Ding! Alright, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring it forward. And we're going to... Oh, I got a nail. I got a nail. No, it's a screw. I got another screw with a washer on it.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Want this Phillips head screwdriver?
Huh?
Want a Phillips head screwdriver?
There's one over here.
Here.
Okay.
Oh, hang on. I gotta get
It's a flathead.
Yeah, duh.
I don't have a flathead.
Sorry, guys. Alright, let me get you a bigger one. Ethan,
Yeah?
look in this drawer. There's a big one in here, too.
Big what?
Phillips head. Not really big, but big. Careful, don't step on my iPod.
I know.
Not that.
Like what?
Not that.
I found one.
Alright, got it?
Wait.
Got it?
Yeah, I found it.
Alright. Alright. So we know what time it is, right guys? Yep.
Did you even hear me?
Yeah.
That's a demolition
What the heck? See, back here I got a heater. And when we get back from camping, we'll destroy that heater. Wow.
How many followers do you have?
36?
36,000?
No. No, wait.
So you only have 36 bucks.
Yeah, YouTubers, if you guys want to follow me, you guys can.
So you have a lot of videos.
I make videos on daily.
Not everything, but
No, but when I'm not at home or when I'm just sitting around, I make videos. Still sounds the same thing. Still sounds just like a tornado. But I ain't gonna put boy. Put boy.
need any screws?
Huh?
Need any nails or screws?
No. Strong ground, boy. If you want to, you can put it in a bottle. Where's my flat?
Your flathead?
Yeah.
I have it. Yours.
Ha boy. I'm a gaggy now. I'm a gaggy now, you ready? I'm gonna gag you. Oh. Give me my sugar back, boy. Now I'm gonna put a battery in you. I'm gonna die now because I'm gonna put a battery in you. Guys, who hates birds?
Me? Definitely me.
I hate birds. The only bird I love is pet birds.
Like Shway.
Yeah.
Do you know where she is?
Probably went to La La Land.
Huh?
La La Land.
Where's that?
You know what La La Land is?
Is it heaven?
My world.
Are you naming your friend Marvel?
Anywhere. My world's anywhere. There we go. It's gonna sound like a drill here in a minute. You ready?
Yeah. I need flathead.
Alright. You need a handkerchief?
Huh?
You need a handkerchief?
What's that?
Cloth.
A car.
Never mind, even. Fuck, man. Maracas.
Waka.
Alright, I'm trying to get that out. Oh my god, there's a switch.
Was?
Yeah?
Am I switching?
Get up in the Bissell's belly. I got a seal. I got a piece of plastic. And where's the seal that I have to the Bissell? Oh, I found it now. Say bye-bye, seal. Bye-bye, seal.
I got my.
Sorry, my brother has to be silly sometimes.
Huh?
Some YouTuber, my brother has to be silly sometimes. Yeah. Alright, let's see what it sounds like now. Oh,
Am I gonna die from smoke?
oh Lord. Bissell Smokeout. Huh?
Is that what you're gonna name it?
Yeah, Bissell Smokeout, yeah. See how much time I have left here?
Huh?
See how much time I have left here?
Voiceover on 15 minutes.
I'll be right back, YouTubers. Peace.